When I was coming, I was thinking that maybe it was going to be difficult to find, people like me who I can communicate with, who can help me get through most of the challenges that I might be facing. But when I got here, I met a lot of people that were very encouraging, and they really helped me to, get integrated and able to settle down, and it was lovely.
Everyone is just willing to share and willing to just connect and talk about the things we do and how to just help each other in our day-to-day activity.
If the students want to come to learn computer science, I would say that it's like learn some advanced technology. We offer a very big opportunity for all the students, no matter what they have learned before, to just switch their career. So just based on these basic objectives, we have the fundamentals: software engineer and the DevOps, database systems, information security, data visualization. But the most we focus is for the practical part, because we want to build the students the confidence.
The way some of the modules have been taught, we kind of organize ourselves in group. So we have this group learning. Just like I am a software developer, someone else might be coming from a different background, but being in the same group, we kind of share the knowledge. Everyone is just going away with something. So one way or the other, you're learning something in class, because the group work is a group effort.
My favorite modules, I think, artificial intelligence. That's the first one. Then also have principles of programming. That's the learning of Python.
It is very important in our IT fields: Python, SQL, C++.
They provide a lot of resources.
It's been very good. I've gotten to meet a lot of people and just seeing a lot of places. Tower Bridge, St. Paul's Cathedral, just seen a lot of nice places, trying Japanese dishes, Indian dishes.
I just love the place. Whenever I hear you're about to get down at Liverpool Street, I'm always happy, because when I get there and I just look up, what a beautiful scenery.
I would recommend GCU Computer Science program for anyone that doesn't have an IT background and you're willing to transition to either software engineering, cloud and DevOps, artificial intelligence, big data. Is a good starting point for you. Excellent program. You don't have to have so much technical knowledge.